Now you're probably wondering why my feet are hanging out in front of me. It's because my foot pegs are taken. It's date night. Now if you haven't seen my other Supermoto dates, go check it out on the 701. But this is the real deal. This is obviously the real Supermoto date. No pillion pegs, Supermoto build-ish. Just put wheels on a motocross bike. The build is loaded. We've done a few bits. We put the plate on, we've wired up the brake lights, obviously the wheels. What else have we done? Made it road legal. There's been a whole process to this. And through the winter is when I'm gonna build this anyway. It's build night. I mean, I'm not build. It's date night, not build night. Let's see where today takes us. We're going for a picnic and we're gonna play some tennis. So we're not some fat couple stopping our face. We're gonna be an active couple. So we eat the food and then it's showtime. My hat's being crushed. Let me pop it in front. Raplife.co.uk. I'm actually in the Supermoto hoodie and bag and hat today. Ready? Hold on to my dick. We're hitting some speed through these corners. Alright, I'm gonna be uncomfortable now. This is pretty illegal, I'm pretty sure, but the bike's legal at least. Right, this bit's gonna be a challenge. As long as we see no police, we'll be alright. Oh, we're lucky. Gee! I'll pop a fat one for the boys back home down here, but that's not possible right now. And just like that, we're in the village. What do you want to do first? Cheers, mate. Huh? You want to play tennis first? Yeah. I want a drink. Did you bring water? Yeah. Oh, nice. 10 points. Oh, shit.
What is the owner of this dog?
It's not very threatening. Right. Oh, fuck. It is pretty good weather, actually. Oh, do you know what is perfect? The Supermoto. Look at her! Oops. Damn, Daniel. Why are you throwing your socks everywhere? Gee! Ready to beat you? Yeah. What are you on about? You're not mean the other way around.
Ready?
I was born ready. Warm up for 1 minute. Yes. Warm ups are for pussies. Yeah, well, I need to get my touch right. I'm too strong, obviously. Look at that. Control. Look at that. Control, that is. I'm a natural. Let's play. I'm ready. Give it your best shot, pussy. Whoa. Jeez. You ever seen a tennis vlog? I don't f about, lads. Put in the comments who's going to win this point. Yes! Let's fucking go. Next point. £1,000 on the line. Backhands with one weakness. Oh my god. Next point wins. Got one more ball. One ball in the sack. Ready to attack. Tarzan Motovlog steps up to the service line. Ace! And the crowd goes wild. Does it look good? Do I look like a supermodel actually? What about if I am like this?
No.
What? But do I look good though?
Yes.
Do I look like a supermoto model? Do I look like a supermoto hooligan? Yeah. Anyway, guys, that was me beating my girlfriend at tennis. We're gonna head off and it's time for the proper date. We're gonna eat food. We're gonna drink the drinks. I've got to squeeze in some wheelies. What'd you say? Who won?
Yes.
Me.
No, don't lie.
Alright, me. You won 2 and I won 1. Because all the 2 of them was warm-ups. I was just getting warm 2 of them games. Anyway, let's get it cracking. Oh, wait, are you still going? Before I forget, braplife.co.uk for your clothing. Here you can see I'm in a Supermoto hoodie with the bag combination, and I got the Brat Life hat on me as well, the Brat Life snapback. Little close up. Bam, bam. Yeah. Is my hood straight in that? You're seeing this like unprepared, but it just naturally looks good anyway. So head over to the website, guys, grab yourself anything or everything. And I appreciate everyone who's got something already. We've had about, I don't even know, but we've had plenty of orders come through, and I'm pretty surprised and blown away by the support. Like, you guys have really smashed it. Anyway, let's get riding. I'm doing this so awkwardly, but Honda never fails. Right, get on the Batmobile. Ready? Ish. Forgot there's no pegs. Fuck. Life without a kickstand. I'm coming in, I'm leaving the bag there. Plus I want a drink. Plus, where's my card? Don't know.
A few moments later.
Yeah, this is pretty challenging. Now we have a shopping bag, a backpack, my bag, 2 people, 1 set of pegs. This is the full Supermoto date experience. Oh, taking the views. And here we are. Huh? Oh, I wanted to wheelie down this road though. This is romantic, isn't it? There's a height limit. I don't know, I'm getting it back up there though. Deal with that when we get to that. Wow! Well, imagine we had a boat, like a little paddle board. You should buy one.
What?
A paddle board.
Yeah, that would be really...
We just literally bring it here and off we go. Downstream. Or a jet ski. I'd come down here on a jet ski. I reckon a 2 grape combination and a raspberry. Mmm. No, that's law. If you eat raspberry, you put 2 red grapes with it. Which side do you want? This side? Huh?
Which one?
Wheelies. Wheelie wheelie. So a supermoto date can't be a supermoto date without any wheelies. You already know, so we gotta pop some up for the boys back home. What's that van? I think he's cool. If you see police, do this. Yeah? That means police. So do that if you see any, yeah? Do that. To me. And I'll know that there's police. Knee knock for the boys back home. Couple wheelies, you know how it is. First wheelies of the day as well, a little bit shaky, but what's going on? I didn't flip the number plate, did I? Rookie error. Now I'm gonna have to blur that shit. What did you think? Was they alright?
It was nice.
Yeah, a bit shaky because I'm not warm, but I think I've got a good knee knocker. Pardon? Fuck, we're going through. Not waiting for that. I could. If only we were a stunt couple.